Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple but clean text animation with a smooth fall in and fade out. Let's get started. First, grab the type tool from the toolbar and click anywhere in your composition to make a text. Type out the text that you want to animate. Place it where you want it on your screen. Now, with your text layer selected, click the drop down arrow right here and open the Animate menu and choose Position. You'll see a new Animator 1 section. Under the Animator 1 settings, open the Range Selector 1, put both start and the end to 100%. Now that your start and end positions are at 100%, take the end position and on the canvas you can see a red line. This is the part of the text that will actually be falling in place. I'm going to put it in the middle. And now, in the position, click the stopwatch icon to create the first keyframe. Take the Y-axis and pull it downwards so it looks like your text is falling into place. When you've done that, go forward half a second and then set the value to 0. Right-click on the second keyframe, go to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease Out. Now go to the Transform settings, go to the opacity and put it to 0, create the first keyframe and then create the second keyframe with the opacity set to 100%. And there we have it, our in animation. Now let's create our out animation. Let's say we want our text on the screen for 1.5 seconds. Go to the end of your text and make a new keyframe for your opacity, set it to 0%, go back just a couple of frames and put the opacity to 100%. And now, when I want to create another text, I don't need to do all of this again. I can just copy and paste my text and place it like this. And I can just change what the text says. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.